he's 43, man.
He's 43,
He is 43.
Figure out where you want to go.
I just got a feeling.
And in an 11-month period, you went to Tom Brady as the greatest
Mansell left.
quarterback of all
Nissan
time.
drivers.
Which in the end, you entries that makes your bits feel like they're floating on a cloud.
Yeah.
They're designed to be the softest thing you ever put on your body.
It's always a
Offered
tow
in range
truck.
of sizes from extra small.
I was like, I just saw my.
Nope. Pioneer Transportation Corp. Nope. I didn't read it.
Exactly.
That's
like
worse.
if I go down, it's gonna be going down with my plan, my.
Thanks a lot.
and my fucking plan. And for me, it make you feel uncomfortable. But I think you're one of those people. I think I'm one of those people that I always constantly wanna,
Well, I'll be forever
For real?
Perfect shit show.
You don't see a big ass truck in the center lane?
You were like
This spot's 12 minutes, 15 minutes. I can do this myself.
Douchebag.
Yeah. One thing I have to actually credit is more.
Yep.
Yeah,
For sure.
That's a.
It's like, seriously, why do people think this is okay?
Self-destructive.
Parents telling them.
Seriously, why do people think it's okay to do this? Seriously. I don't know, because I've been sitting in this traffic for like an hour now. Forget it. Yep, I showed them. I feel powerful now. I feel a lot better. My ego feels a lot better. I know what haters are going to come on here.
You didn't get his views. That's a good pastor or whatever.
Yeah.
And it comes out 20, 30 years.
Oh, and now, it's that black truck. He's decided to get horny and honk at the guys in the right lane for probably doing the same thing that he just did. Of course.
I was a fan of 1 and 2, Dead Space 1 and 2. 3 is a little more generic, but it's not a bad game. So yeah, I'd be interested in all of that.
Uh-oh.
Watching.
Is he getting pulled over? Yes. Oh wait, no, he's not. Never mind. But that was the last exit. Wait.
Oh yeah, I got a little bit of Seth Andrews.
Well, thank
Nope.
you for that.
Yeah.
Nope.
Hang in there, keep the non-faith. Hopefully we'll see some positive change happening.
And the light was only green for like 2 seconds. What the shit?
When I saw that was how
Spidey sense. Oh yeah, he's gonna try to move over. Of course, there's only been signs, at least 3 of them in the last half mile, saying that lane goes north. Oh, you're lucky someone was nice. CSX.
almost like the revenue split, like 48.8
Really, you're gonna...
to 51.
This is a highway on-ramp, mind you. Ba-dum-stream, ba-dum-stream, ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-stream.
I thought this would be called behavioral activation. It's the
No trucks in the left lane, Arnold. I'm Arnold. Yeah, I'm in the left lane, yeah. Uh-oh. Douchebag.
Ego. You wanted to still be good looking.
What the
I
frick?
was like, I think she's into that's so funny.
I've been there. We've all fucking been there where it's just like, you think,
Okay.
what happened today? Like, I just put my
hat, my whistle on, I coach you right where you are because you've reached out and you've got something
Really?
that's either stressing you out or something that you want to celebrate about. Either way, we're here for you. So my
What the
first
fuck
tip
are you
is,
doing?
This is a panicked email in from Jim. Jim says, "Help, Chris. I'm feeling panicked."
Or are we gonna get 3 Saturday games? You have to. 3 Saturday games and either 3 Sunday.
Okay, when both planes go to the same place. Why do you need the upper level? You need the view?
Games on a Monday. You have to. We're
Two Sunday games on a Monday
Sunday.
sound pretty good, right?
I know, but if you
Wow.
got Monday and you got to come back.
Uh-oh, someone's a little lost. Really? You're gonna do that?
What's that say about their position? You know, if God is genuinely the invincible God, what are they worried about? And the fact that they're worried, I think, tells me...
How's that guy doing? He had a green arrow and he didn't go. And,
I can't really get you through the journey that you're going through except for the advice.
Red light runner. Oh, red light run.
Because the guy didn't go through his legs.
Baseball, this would be like Brian McCann hitting a guy when he came across the plate. I understand why he did it, because
Yeah,
he
it's
looked
green, he
foolish.
ran
Why
it.
look foolish?
Charlotte.
Oh, good. Great market. Okay. Yeah, there'll be some marketing firms in that area that could probably use
What the
her market,
shit?
marketing knowledge. And it's literally something.
What the hell's that guy doing?
I'm not suggesting she not be alone.
That's not how that works.
Okay. But the good news is she's got a marketable thing to do. Okay, that's thing number one that comes to mind. Thing number two that comes to mind is this.
Goes from the center lane. My spidey sense is tingling. Yeah, that's kind of suicidal. Now those buzzards are out. Did not move over.
I mean, for today's.
Damn, you're really on that car's ass.
It's amazing how fast
Yeah,
they are.
had going in trees. You don't have to do that. And the paint.
Hey, a pro tip for you guys. If you really tailgate the car ahead of you, they'll drive faster. Not.
Deal with the facts. Let's get through it. Let me ask Rob Mejica.
Really?
Who's the mastermind of the budget. If I said anything wrong, or is that what?
Are constitutional and intact. That's going up before the U.S. Supreme Court this year. It was argued a couple of months ago for a case.
Percentage of people who wind up in that situation.
Really?
It starts with the 1,290.
The death toll was 13. 6 others were missing from the second crash site and presumed dead. Of the 3 critically injured men already flown out to a hospital
trucks in the left lane. How are you going over there for? That lane ends.
with their flex-cuffed Somali prisoners. Before they had even finished stripping off their gear,
Dude.
they were astonished to see themselves on their top-secret
And
mission
why the hell do you
on
have your
CNN,
kid on your lap?
with footage shot from a distance.
Are you nuts? Seriously. Like a 5-year-old daughter on his lap, steering the steering wheel.
Sizemore and the rest of the guys bunked in that hangar. They were
You're in the wrong
not behind some
lane. This was
desk
left turn
or
only.
cash register or
Really?
Chapter 7. You're going to go
Really?
ahead and lead us out. Lieutenant Larry Moore had
Are
instructed.
you going to go or what?
We're going to take these 3 5-tons, your 2 vehicles in front, my 2 in the rear. The crash site is somewhere in the...
Truck in the left lane today. A Warner driver. I didn't see anything back there. And he didn't move over.
Some of the operators, like
Yeah, he didn't move over. Really? trucks in the left lane, 'cause you don't care anymore about the traffic laws. You don't care anymore. This is probably the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe and follow me on Facebook. Yeah.